Hi, this is Kim Jade with Compass, here to show you my newest listing in San Jose. Located in award-winning school districts of Cupertino, you've got schools such as Lynbrook High. You've also got access to highways, major Silicon Valley companies, and you're really close to a bunch of restaurants and parks nearby. Welcome to 1034 Huntington Drive. The single-story west-facing home sits on a beautiful tree-lined street. It features hardwood floors, new light fixtures, fresh interior paint, some new appliances, and an instant hot water return system. The ensuite bedroom will encourage your friends and family to stay just a little longer. In the front yard, you'll find low-maintenance landscaping, and you'll be entertaining with the intimate backyard and garden area with 2 large storage sheds. These are just some of the many reasons this home was well loved, and now it's here for you to make this one yours. Welcome home.